What's going on, guys? I'm going to do a little dry today. Finally got my bike back. It's looking good. Whole rear end done. Gotta get the brake lines done though. But we just got a bunch of rain here. And this is the trail that I would take. Look at this. Crazy. There's no way I'm going to cross that. I don't even think I can make it. And I ain't going to try. But just to give you an idea, just right there is the brook, them two pipes run down in, and look, we got a lake here. Crazy. Oh, I don't know who's going to want to drive that, but I don't think a four-wheeler. I think she'll float a four-wheeler right down. Oh, guys, I'll let the water disappear over the next few days, I hope, and I get out and try to make some new videos. Happy four-wheeling, happy Easter to everybody.